The dire wolf, or, was a magnificent predator of the Pleistocene epoch. These formidable canids roamed the Americas for thousands of years. Larger and more robust than grey wolves, they hunted Ice Age megafauna. Fossils from places like the La Brea tar pits show their power. Recently, 3 gene-edited wolf pups were born, resembling dire wolves. Named Romulus, Remus and Khaleesi, they mark a genetic milestone. Delivered via caesarean section to dog surrogates, their birth sparked debate. As of May 2025, Romulus and Remus are 8 months old, Khaleesi 4. Snowy white, they measure 4 feet long and weigh 80 pounds. They exhibit wild behaviors, keeping a distance from humans. They live in a secret 2,000-acre ecological preserve. It is crucial to understand that these captivating new pups are not in fact resurrected dire wolves. The original remains extinct. Instead, these animals are the product of sophisticated genetic engineering, starting with the genome of a grey wolf. Scientists at the biotech firm Colossal Laboratories and Biosciences are behind this ambitious project. They have meticulously modified the grey wolf's genetic code to introduce traits reminiscent of the dire wolf. The grey wolf genome shares approximately 99.5% of its DNA with that of the dire wolf, providing a strong foundation for the project. The scientific team made a total of 20 precise gene edits across 14 different genes within the grey wolf DNA. These edits were carefully selected to influence traits such as size, bone density, and even fur color. Colossal refers to these gene-edited animals as functional equivalents of dire wolves. Creating a 100% genetically identical dire wolf is currently an impossible feat due to fragmented and incomplete genetic material from ancient fossils. The original dire wolf was a true titan of the Ice Age. These powerful predators successfully navigated the harsh environments of the Pleistocene for hundreds of thousands of years. Their reign, however, came to an end during the Quaternary extinction event, which saw the disappearance of many large mammal species. Dire wolves once boasted an expansive territory, roaming widely across both North and South America. They were significantly larger and heavier than the modern grey wolves, with a more robust build, thicker bones, and a proportionally larger head equipped with incredibly powerful jaws. Genetic studies have revealed fascinating insights into the evolutionary history of dire wolves and their relationship to modern canids. A significant study published in 2021 proposed a surprising revelation. Dire wolves and grey wolves last shared a common ancestor around 6 million years ago. This suggests a much earlier divergence than previously thought. Colossal Laboratories and Biosciences' own research suggests that dire wolves may have interbred more extensively with the lineage that eventually evolved into grey wolves. Despite any interbreeding, millions of base pair differences still exist between the genomes of dire wolves and grey wolves. The birth of these dire wolf-like pups, while a scientific marvel, brings ethical considerations to the forefront. Tinkering with genes raises concerns about human intervention in nature. There are questions about potential animal suffering, both in experiments and for the resulting animals. Ecological concerns are also significant. Introducing genetically modified organisms could disrupt ecosystems. How would these interact with native wildlife? Could they outcompete predators or introduce diseases? Colossal acknowledges these risks, but champions the potential benefits. They argue such projects generate public attention and funding for conservation. The scientific community should celebrate these milestones. Colossal emphasizes gene editing's potential to combat biodiversity loss, perhaps by restoring keystone species or enhancing endangered populations.